everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Project Polish. This is a year-long project for me. I usually start at the first of the year, end at the end of the year, and then whatever I didn't finish, I decide whether or not I want to roll it into the next year or if I just want to pick new stuff, which is what I did for this year. This was originally created by Cherish. She is Pretty Pistol 86, and I am very, very happy to say she is back on YouTube. I'm going to have her link down below if you want to go check her out. She is newly back on her channel, and she is posting sporadically. It's not like a regular schedule, but if you are a Cherish fan and you've missed seeing her on YouTube, she is back, so definitely go check out her channel. All right, let's get into this update. I put in 20 bottles for this year. I'm starting with them all in. Two of them are, one is a base coat and one is a top coat, which, you know, I'm okay with. As long as it's in a nail polish bottle, I want to work on stuff and get it used up because I love nail polish. Eyeshadow and nail polish are my two favorite things as far as makeup, and yeah, I want to use it so I can get more. I know that sounds horrible that I want to go and get more, but I love it so much. I am a licensed nail tech, not practicing right now because, you know, I don't have that kind of time, but I mean, I've always been into nail polish, so let's do this. Let's do this. This is my nail wheel right now. I have 0 empties, but these are all of the colorful things that I'm working on. There are 18 colors here, plus, like I said, a base coat and a top coat. Let's get into this. Yes, I have got 2 polishes here from Del Sol. We have Electric, which is the very green looking one, and Superhero, which is the blue looking one. I did use these, but I have not been able to make a new line on them. I think I just used them once, maybe twice, and I did accent nails, so it wasn't like a full mani with those. And I will tell you, every single thing that is in this project, I did use at least once in the past month. I just kind of wanted to play, so it's not a massive amount of progress on anything, but there are some things with good progress. The first ones I'm showing you are the ones that I have used, but you can't see any progress on them. This I actually have on my nails now. This is the Victoria's Secret in, what is this one called? Purple Glaze. And yeah, where's the line, Jessica? I did use this actually twice. Today was one, and I did use it another time with the same exact, like purples with the, like I did a purple base, glitter, and then this on top. You just can't tell. This one I did just have on my nails a few days ago, and you can kind of see it's just below the line, but it's not enough to make a new line. This is Avon something sands, Shimmering Sand. It is such a beautiful color, but I'm gonna have to use this just as a topper because it doesn't set well, and you have to do like 4 or 5 coats to like get it to look like this. I ain't got time for that. I don't. Even with a quick dry nail polish, like top coat, I don't have time for it. And it was one of those that, even though I thought it was dry, when I went to bed, yeah, it got like hair lines all in it, sheet lines. It was not pretty. So this is relegated to top coat only. It is extremely thin, and yeah, it's going to take a long time. All right, I've got 2 here from Wet n Wild, like really old Wet n Wild. These just have like numbers on the top. This one, I really like it, but it's thin and it doesn't take a lot. I use it as a topper. I'm just barely below that line. I enjoy it, but it's going to take a little while to make any real progress on that one. And this one is just like a bunch of different glitters. Again, like, well, I have like a wonky line here. It kind of goes up, and it was at the top line, top part of the line before, and now it's down to about here. But you know, it is what it is. Again, that is just used as like a topper, and that's all it's going to be used at because it's like a really fine micro glitter, and yeah, it's just going to take a minute. This one, I don't think I have much progress on this one. I'm just barely below this low line here. This is not a color, I don't do seasonal. I will wear a color when I feel like wearing it. That's just how I am. If I want to wear it, I'm going to wear it, even if it's not seasonally appropriate. But this one, for some reason, I am not feeling this time of year, and I think it's just because it's so cold and gross. It's either always raining here or snowing or sleeting or whatever, and maybe I'm just not feeling the bright pink right now. I don't know. I'm not usually a pink kind of person, like that bubblegum pink, but I'm not feeling that one right now. So I've actually been using that one to mark my other bottles, but I have actually used it on my nails, just so you know. All right, the rest of them I'm going to show you definitely have new lines on them, which makes me happy that there is visible progress. The first one is Nina, and I believe this is called Peacock, and I was right here when I brought it in, and now I am down here, so definitely usage on that one. Avon Color Last, this is Pecan, and you can definitely see the lines from the white to the pink here. Happy to have that one getting some usage. And on this Stroke of Red, from the white to the pink here, maybe not the best color to market. It works on some bottles and not on others. This is another Color Last in the color Saturn from Avon, from the white to the pink. That I have that on my nails right now, and then I have this glitter, which is Gina Girl from e.l.f., from the white to the pink. So I have that, and then I had the purple glaze from Victoria's Secret over top of it. All right, let's scoot the rest of these over here. This one is Sephora by OPI, Teal We Meet Again. And you can see from the gold to the pink. I enjoy that one a whole lot. Here's my base and top coats. These are both from Jessica Nails. This is the Reward base coat, as I'm trying to break things. It was brand new when I brought it in. I am just now right here. I will tell you straight up, even as a licensed nail tech, I do not always use base or top coat. I do sometimes, I don't all the time. Sometimes I'm just in a hurry and I want to slap some color on and, be done with it, and it is what it is. This one is the Brilliance High Gloss and a Flash top coat. This stuff is amazing. I am right here. Again, it was brand new when I started it. This is a brilliant, no pun intended with it being called Brilliance. It's a wonderful, very fast drying top coat. Highly recommend it if you have access to Jessica Nails. It's good. And no, not just because of the name. It is a pro product, but there are places that you can actually get it without having a license. It's good stuff. Another Jessica Nails. This one is Peaceful Pink, which it's not even remotely pink. Started at the white. I am here at the pink now. Wet n Wild Black Creme. I started at the gold, and now I'm down at the pink. Why do I do these wonky lines? I don't know. I don't know what it is. I should have showed you the other Jessica Nails. This one is 14 Carats at the white. Started at the white, now I'm at the pink. I'm not very good at these lines. I should just use a striping brush. It would make life so much easier. This one, I finally have a line on it. This is My Beauty Spot, which I've never heard of it. And does it have a color name? I just have it in as silver nail polish. I don't see a name on it. There's no sticker anywhere. And yeah, I don't see anything printed on the bottle. It was like up into the neck, and now you can see I have like a little pink line right there. So there is a little bit of usage. I kind of like this one. It dries pretty quick. Definitely need 2 coats, but it dries pretty quick. And I like that. And it looks kind of textured, even though it's not. I don't even know how to explain it. Like you can see in the bottle, it kind of looks like it has some texture to it. And that's the way it looks on your nails, which is kind of cool without actually having to feel textured. It's a little bit different. And the last one I'm going to show you, this is the LA Girl Gel Extreme Shine Chill Light Polish in the color Swanky. This one was brand new, and I finally have a line. It kind of curves up a little bit, but we're working on getting to the widest part of the bottle, and then it's gonna, be smooth sailing from there. I did not make a prediction or any goals or anything for January. I knew I just wanted to play and have some fun. I'm not gonna set any specific goals for the month of February, but I'm gonna pick 3 focus polishes because I have to change my nail polish. I have to play, but I can pick focus polishes for like my toenails, my fingernails, and these will be my primary polishes for the month of February, and just because I kind of feel like I want to work on them, so I might as well pull them in. First one is Nina Peacock. It is the blue. As you can see, I am right there. I don't know that I'm necessarily going to finish it, but I want to make some major damage on this one for the month. This is Stroke of Red. As you can see, I'm right here at the pink. I think I can get a lot done with that one. And then Pecan, which is the Color Last. And let's see. I've really been feeling the shade. I don't know why. It's nothing exceptional. It's very warm. But I am working on the ABH Sultry palette for my Panette palette this year, and it is my focus palette for the month of February, and this shade really reminds me of Birch in there, and I think they're going to be a lovely pairing for the month, so it just makes sense for me to bring this in, especially since I'm really feeling this color lately. So those are going to be my 3 focus shades, and we'll see how it goes for the month of February. Yes, it's a short month, but you know, it is what it is. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out Cherish. If you are doing Project Polish, let me know and I will come check you out. I have been watching some people's intros, just catching up on a lot of things. I've seen some updates and stuff like that. And yeah, I love nail polish, so I would love to come check you out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.